Given that f of x equals to negative 3x square plus 5 for all real numbers x, what is the range of the function? So let's talk about the domain and range first of all. Let's clear up that concept if any of you have any doubts, right? Imagine function is like a box sum. Whatever number you feed in, that's your domain. A set of x values. This is your f of x. Something you do inside the box to those x values. And then whatever you get, those are your y values. That is called your range. Is that making sense now? How you can visualize that? So, and he's saying, what is the domain? All real numbers x. So there is no restriction on the domain. You can pretty much plug in every number. Rational number, irrational number, integers, decimals, whatever. He's asking what is the range of the function. Okay. How do you figure out range? You need to start substituting values, x values starting from 0, positive 1, negative 1, negative 2, positive 2, and see if you develop a pattern. Once you see a pattern, you can declare the answer. Okay. So let's say if I substitute x equals to 0, what is my range? What is your f of 0? You substitute x equals 0, what do you get? Negative 3 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. And then, since it is x squared, does it really matter whether x is a positive or a negative? Because square turns it positive, correct? So which means I can go for plus or minus 1. So x squared becomes 1, whether it's a plus 1 or a negative 1. Negative 3 times 1 is how much? What is negative 3 plus 1? Negative 3 times 1, negative 3. Negative 3 plus 5, 2. Now, do x equals to plus or minus 2. What is f of plus or minus 2? What is 2 square or negative 2 square? 4 times negative 3, negative 12 plus 5, negative 7. So what do you see here? As the x values are either going to the left or right, your x value is getting worse, right? That means the highest you can ever have what? 5. And then obviously range can be negative 2. So this is a nonsense. This is a nonsense, right? And then does he say, now the question is, all real numbers less than or equal to 5 or all integers less than or equal to 5? Don't think that these are integers because we substituted only integers. You could have substituted 0.5. Who is stopping you? Correct? 0.5. So that means you will get decimal values too. So your answer is A. Is that clear now, everyone? So you need to sample it. Sample x values, you will see a pattern. Once you see a pattern, declare your answer. Is that clear?